Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be sharing with you a survival kit that I have assembled for the electronic and mechanical devices that we use on a daily basis. Nowadays, technology plays a big role in our lives, and when a disaster strikes that brings this technology down, things can get pretty ugly pretty quickly. Which is why I think that it is a good idea to be prepared for such scenarios. My intention for this kit is to be as general and multifunctional as possible, but in the future I may make another video with an expanded kit containing more specialized gear. So, without further ado, what do I have on the table? Well, the kit that you're looking at is 16 centimeters wide, 36 centimeters long, and 8 centimeters high. It weighs approximately 3.8 kilograms and it is contained within this Tasmanian Tiger Tac Pouch 8 SP. Inside the pouch I have a 15-watt solar charger with two USB ports. So, under optimal conditions, two devices can be charged at the same time, and all of the devices included in this kit are USB compatible, so they can all be powered by this solar charger. If the sun is not available, but I have access to a power outlet, I can use this power brick with a USB port, and to connect to my devices, I'm using this USB to micro USB cable with the appropriate attachments. For example, if I have to charge a device that has a USB-C port, I use a micro USB to USB-C adapter. It is somewhere around here. This is the USB to USB-C adapter that I can plug in here. And this is the micro USB to USB-C adapter that I can plug on this end of the cable. Although not a part of this kit, the bracelet that I'm wearing right now contains a USB to USB-C cable, which can also be used to connect my devices. If you're interested in how to make such a bracelet yourself, please watch my other video where I show exactly how it is made. To store the electricity, I have a 20,000 mAh power bank, and I also have 4 rechargeable AA and 4 rechargeable AAA batteries. To recharge these batteries, I'm using this USB compatible charger, and it can also be plugged into the solar charger. Next, I have a smartphone with a protector. Even if all telecommunications are down, a smartphone can still be very useful, as it can store information, it can take photos, it can record audio and video, it can be used as a calculator, a clock, a flashlight, and with the right applications it can do so much more. Next, I have a two-way radio, and I have detached the antenna for easier storage. It is here on the side. If telecommunications are down, but you and your friends or family are equipped with these, you may be able to maintain communication over some distance. Just make sure to discuss the communication frequencies in advance. If radio is available, you may also use one of these to listen to it, which is a function that a lot of recent smartphones have lost. It probably goes without saying, but this two-way radio can also be charged using USB via this cable. For repairs, I have a set of tiny screwdrivers, as well as a prying tool. electrical tester screwdriver. This one has a few extra functionalities. It can be used as a regular flat screwdriver. It can be used as a tester for power outlets. It can be placed next to a cable to check if there is electricity running through it. It can also be used to check if a circuit is closed. Next, we have a compact digital multimeter, and these are the cables for it. A rechargeable soldering iron. I stored the tip for it separately so that it doesn't accidentally turn on in the kit. And some soldering flux to go with it. A multi-tool. I'm going to unfold all of its features. And there we go. A set of imbus keys. Adjustable wrench. Sometimes a bolt or a nut is positioned in a deep or narrow space, and the adjustable wrench just can't be used, which is why I also have a ratchet socket wrench with a set of different sockets, and I keep it in this bag so that it can stay together. Insulating tape. I keep it wrapped in a plastic bag because it is sticky on the sides. Super glue. Cable ties of different sizes. A 100 milliliter canister of WD-40 with a straw and a protective cap. For starting fires, an electric lighter. And the neat thing about it is that it too can be charged via USB. And lastly, a SIM card removal tool. So, these are the contents of my survival kit. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Please consider giving it a thumbs up if you did. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.